All right, guys, I've got a really good thing for you. I was just going over this myself. It was sent to me. I think this is a smart thing anyone should have in their car or in their garage for emergency situations. Basically, if you have a shoddy battery on your car, boat, motorcycle, or other things that have one of those batteries that you can charge, if you have a shoddy battery, this is just going to help you keep the battery going for a bit longer. If you need help getting a jump start, what you do is you just plug it into a cord, plug it into the wall, and then you select. Yeah, you can select with this. You select the type of vehicle or type of battery that it is. So we've got a car selected, and all you would do here is we've got a car here. So if we needed to charge this, all we would do is do the same thing you do when you're jumping a car. You would just plug those onto each of the parts of the battery and then start the car. So this is going to help you if you have a shoddy battery on your boat, car, motorcycle, RV, anything like that. In emergency situations, this is going to keep you going for a little bit longer. Highly recommend you have this in your car and or your garage. And that's my review. If you're on this page, stop thinking about it and just do it.